Imagine a place where it rains natural gas and the seas and lakes are made up of it. Welcome to Titan, Saturn's largest moon. This celestial body is a marvel in our solar system. Larger than the planet Mercury, Titan is the second biggest moon in our cosmic neighborhood, only falling short to Jupiter's mammoth Ganymede. Despite being a staggering 900 million miles away from Earth, we've been able to uncover some of its fascinating features. As Saturn's most substantial moon, Titan holds a significant position, orbiting the ringed planet once every 15 days and 22 hours. But don't let its moon status fool you. This isn't a barren, lifeless satellite, far from it. Titan's surface is sculpted by rivers and filled with mountains, much like our own Earth. But Titan is far more than just a moon. It's a world full of surprises waiting to be discovered. Unlike most moons in our solar system, Titan has a dense atmosphere. It's not just any atmosphere, though. It's primarily made up of nitrogen with traces of methane, a composition strikingly similar to our own Earth's. But what's even more fascinating is the pressure at Titan's surface. It's about 1.5 times that of Earth's atmospheric pressure at sea level. Imagine walking around with the weight of an extra atmosphere pressing down on you. Sounds intense, right? Now, why is this important? Well, this dense atmosphere creates an environment where complex organic molecules can form and even potentially sustain life. It's this peculiar mixture of nitrogen and methane, coupled with the intense pressure, that makes Titan's atmosphere one of a kind. This dense atmosphere is one of the reasons why Titan is considered one of the most Earth-like bodies in our solar system. It's a tantalizing prospect for scientists and space enthusiasts alike. Here on Earth, we're familiar with the water cycle, but on Titan, there's a methane cycle. Now, imagine a world where instead of water, it rains methane. That's Titan for you. When it's warm enough, methane, which is a gas on Earth, evaporates on Titan's surface and rises into the moon's atmosphere. There it cools down and forms thick ethereal clouds. Eventually, these clouds become saturated, and just like Earth's rain, it starts to pour down methane. This methane rain carves rivers and fills lakes, creating a landscape that's eerily similar to our home planet, yet fundamentally different. This is a world where rivers, lakes, and seas are made of methane, not water. It's an incredible, alien cycle that transforms the landscape of Titan, creating a world that's both familiar and completely alien at the same time. Titan's methane cycle creates a landscape unlike anything we have here on Earth. Titan isn't just unique for its atmosphere and methane cycle. It's also geologically active, with cryovolcanoes and alien stones. Now, what exactly are cryovolcanoes? Unlike the fiery mountains you may picture, these volcanoes spew icy particles instead of molten lava. They burst forth from the ground, creating spectacular plumes that can reach hundreds of kilometers into Titan's dense atmosphere. But the intrigue doesn't stop there. Titan's surface is also dotted with what we've termed alien stones. These aren't your run-of-the-mill rocks, oh no. We believe these stones are likely made of organic compounds, which on Earth are the building blocks of life. These stones might just hold clues to how life can form in the universe's most extreme conditions. These geological features, the cryovolcanoes and the alien stones, add another layer to Titan's alien landscape. They remind us that this distant moon is more than a celestial body orbiting Saturn. It's a world full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Before we unveil the most surprising facts about Titan, take a moment to subscribe, like, and comment on this video to support our channel. Your engagement fuels our cosmic journey, helping us bring you more intriguing content about the mysteries of our universe. Whether it's the ethereal beauty of Saturn's largest moon or the secrets of distant galaxies, every interaction counts. So don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for your support. Now let's dive back into the mysteries of Titan. One of the most intriguing questions about Titan is its potential for life. This isn't life as we know it, though. Titan's freezing temperatures and liquid methane seas make it a vastly different environment from our own. But could these alien conditions harbour life? Some scientists believe it's possible. Let's imagine life on Titan. It wouldn't be like anything we're familiar with on Earth. Instead of water, life would have to use methane as a solvent, a key ingredient for life as we understand it. This would result in organisms that are fundamentally different from us, perhaps even beyond our current understanding of biology. And why is Titan singled out for such extravagant speculations? That's because Titan is the only other place in our solar system where we have found surface liquid, albeit in the form of methane and ethane lakes and seas. This is significant because on Earth, wherever you find water, you find life. So the presence of liquid on Titan's surface raises the tantalizing possibility of life existing there. But what could life in a methane sea look like? Well, scientists have proposed a hypothetical creature they call the methanogen. These organisms would inhale hydrogen instead of oxygen and exhale methane instead of carbon dioxide. It's a fascinating concept, isn't it? Yet it's important to remember that all this is still in the realm of speculation. We have no direct evidence of life on Titan or anywhere else in the solar system apart from Earth. But the unique conditions on Titan make it a prime candidate for astrobiological studies. So while we continue to explore and understand this enigmatic moon, we remain hopeful. Who knows? Perhaps one day we'll find that we're not alone in the universe and that life, however different, can flourish in the most unexpected places. While we have yet to find definitive proof of life on Titan, its unique conditions make it a fascinating subject for astrobiology. Our understanding of Titan has been greatly enhanced by the Huygens probe, which landed on Titan's surface in 2005. This remarkable piece of technology, part of the Cassini-Huygens mission, was a joint endeavour by NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Italian Space Agency. It was the first spacecraft to land on a moon other than our own, and the data it sent back has been nothing short of revolutionary. Among its numerous discoveries, Huygens confirmed the existence of lakes and seas on Titan's surface. But these are not lakes and seas as we know them. Instead of water, they're filled with liquid methane and ethane, making Titan the only known body in our solar system, other than Earth, to have stable liquid on its surface. This revelation has fueled speculation about the possibility of life forms that could thrive in such extreme conditions. But Huygens was just the beginning. Our thirst for knowledge about this alien moon is far from quenched, and future missions are already in the works. One of the most exciting is NASA's Dragonfly mission, set to launch in 2027. Dragonfly is a drone-like rotorcraft that will fly to various locations on Titan, studying its chemistry and searching for signs of past or present life. It will also investigate Titan's unique geology and atmospheric processes, helping us to understand more about this fascinating world and the potential it holds. And let's not forget about the potential for human exploration. While the conditions on Titan are harsh, to say the least, its thick atmosphere could provide some protection from radiation. This, combined with the presence of liquid on the surface, makes Titan an intriguing destination for future manned missions. As we continue to push the boundaries of space exploration, Titan remains at the forefront of our curiosity. With each new mission, we uncover more about this alien world, and yet we've barely scratched the surface. As we continue to explore Titan, who knows what other surprises this alien moon has in store for us? From its dense atmosphere to its methane cycle, from its cryovolcanoes to its potential for life, Titan is a world full of surprises. This moon of Saturn has bewitched us with its alien allure, presenting an environment unlike any we have encountered in our cosmic journey. Its thick, nitrogen-rich atmosphere, reminiscent of early Earth, fosters a complex methane cycle akin to our water cycle. The existence of cryovolcanoes, spewing water and ammonia instead of molten rock, adds an exotic twist to our understanding of geological processes. But perhaps the most tantalizing aspect of Titan is its potential for astrobiology. The presence of organic compounds in its atmosphere and surface lakes could harbor the ingredients for life as we know it, or even life as we don't. As we continue to explore our solar system, Titan remains one of the most intriguing destinations, a world that truly lives up to its name as an alien moon.